Hello, Buckers. Jessica here. Welcome to our Thursday night live. New arrivals. Tonight, we're not doing any clothes. We are doing accessories and footwear for the ladies for fall. These pieces are so fun. And, you know, accessories are an amazing way to spruce up your wardrobe and your collection season to season. If you don't want to get a whole new wardrobe, accessories and footwear is totally the way to go. Okay, so first up, I am going to share with you some Italian leather bags. Now, all of these bags have sweet straps. I'm rocking one right now. And they just add a little bit of personality and pizzazz to every outfit. And these will be really nice over jackets as we get there, and coats, because the straps are adjustable in length. Okay, so first up is this cutie, this metallic gold side bag with this really fun strap. Like, how cute is that? Now, I kind of have it mid-length, but you could totally make this tighter to your body. You could make it looser, but like so cute. And also, if you feel like you are not vibing with the fun strap that they come with, we also sell bag straps separately in different colors and patterns as well. So you can definitely mix and match if you want to, but they are so much fun. This is a very popular style right now. And like I said, all of these are Italian leather, okay? So I just have one of these. This is option one. And I have more that I will show you tonight, but I just want to give you a little sprinkling of the collection that we got because it is so fabulous. Okay, next up, we have this cutie. So this is more of a neutral strap. You just get the leather piping through the strap, which is really nice. Again, this is adjustable, and this one is actually a little bit bigger in size, and you get these super cool, like, studded pulleys. So I'm gonna show you here just how much space you have there. So you could fill this really big with a lot of things, or you could keep it nice and tight and compact to your body. And again, this strap is adjustable, so you could make it longer, shorter, depending on your frame or style, you know? So I have this gorgeous, like, buttery soft, it's like an off-white cream tone, and then I also have this in, I think it's like a rose, like a light pink. So nice. And something slightly different than what you're seeing everywhere, which that's what we're all about, right? Something unique and different that is fun for you. Okay, next up, keeping with that kind of sling side bag style, we have this like taupe color, very sleek, and this strap has those like caramel tones to it, which it just screams fall. I love this. The hardware is all gold. Like, how cool! This is like your essential side bag to do all of your errands, going to the gym, just put your keys in there, and you're off. Your hands free. This is like the best. So cute, and this color is tonal, very natural. It'll go with everything. All of these bags will go with everything. Okay, then we have more of the kind of photography style bag, but with a cute little leather fringe detail on the side, which fringe is huge. Personally, love it. And then this is a gorgeous, rich forest green leather, again with the gold hardware. And this one, you get a fun pop of orange in the strap there, that like kind of slate gray, black, and green. So cool. This one I definitely think would be amazing over a jacket because you have a little bit more room for things in here if you like that option, opposed to having a smaller side bag. And I think this would just be so nice over a nice like coat, jacket. So cool. And then we also have this same camera bag style in a classic black, which is this cutie right here. Again, with the fun fringe detailing on the side, and the strap that comes with the black has those neutral tones, of course, but then you get a fun pop of blue in there as well. So super classic on the bottom, and then something fun on the strap. I just love this collection. I think it is fabulous. I have more styles if you come into the shop, and you can see the whole collection if you're wanting to add some fun new accessories into your wardrobe. And then I have some fun shoes and boots actually from Chinese Laundry. So all of these are vegan and they're super comfortable. I personally love this brand. I have for years, and they make really trendy pieces at affordable prices, and you really can't go wrong. Okay, so first up, we always have a fun like mule style in from them. Mules are great transitional loafers, and they're just great all year round in my opinion. So we brought in the classic black mule with the fun little gold detailing on the front here. We also have this style in, I'm gonna grab them for you so you can see. It's like a speckled gold. It's very beautiful. Hope you can see it there. Yeah. So it does have that like metallic detailing. So you have the option if you want to go that metallic route or classic black. So those are the two options in this score style. Both are so lovely and they're so comfortable. Okay, next up, ooh, these are so fun. These are so fun. Look at these cutie little silver metallic flats. You get like a little heel, a little baby heel. How fun are these? I'm obsessed. I think you could wear these honestly with any outfit. It could be casual and you could put these on and you're like styling. I think these are so fun. As you all know, I'm sure, silver is everywhere. And also, it's like we're going into the end of the year, getting into fun holiday, festive vibes, and metallic is always a nice classic way to go. So fun. Love, love, love those. All right, now to get into some boot action. We have a really funky pair of chunky platform black booties. Okay, this is what they look like from the front. So they are a slip-on, which is nice. And then this is them from the side. So cute. I love them. This style is always trending. Like something along this line with a chunkier base, classic black, slip on. You get the elastic here, so it's really easy to get in and out of when you have your thicker socks on. But a nice chunky platform. I love it. These boots, obviously, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. They're so versatile and comfortable too. They're not too heavy, which sometimes this style of a boot can be very heavy. These are not, which is also really nice. So I love these. So cute. All right, and then to finish off, we definitely have a little bit more of a classier little black bootie, which I think is great for going out, or if you're even in the office, you could wear these with a nice pair of tights and a skirt or a dress. I think they would be lovely. So these are them. They're so cute. They have this beautiful piping through the front of the boot, which I think is so sexy. So sexy. And then the heel, it is not too high, so it's very wearable. But look at the shape of the heel. So cool. A little trendy, but still classic. Super wearable. Pause to, okay, let me know if we're back. Hopefully we're back. But I think these are a great little black bootie if you are needing that in your wardrobe. These are a really great way to go. So those are just a sprinkling of some of our new ladies footwear and accessories, leather accessories for fall. These shoes will probably be on our website this weekend if you want to view them online. And they'll be out in the store very soon. A reminder, if you didn't get our email today, our end of season sale has been extended, which is fabulous for you, until this Sunday. So we are going to be adding, well, we've been adding new things to sale and extra markdowns every day. So definitely come on in to grab a few things while we have these sweet deals, like up to 70% off, you guys. Like, it's amazing. So if you need to grab some end of season things, now is the time. So come on in before Sunday and shop our end of season sale and check out some of our new fun fall arrivals. All right, that is everything for tonight. Until next time, bye guys.